In today's hyper-connected world, data is constantly flowing between devices, servers, and networks. But how do we ensure that sensitive information, like passwords, credit card numbers, or private conversations, stays safe? The answer lies in encryption, a powerful technology that scrambles your data into unreadable formats, protecting it from unauthorized access. In this video, we'll break down how encryption works, why it's essential for modern security, and the different types you might encounter. Let's dive in. At its core, encryption is the process of converting plain text, or any kind of data, into an unreadable format called ciphertext. This ensures that only authorized parties with the right key can decipher it back into its original form. Think of encryption as a secret language shared between trusted individuals. Without knowing the rules of the language, anyone intercepting the communication would see nothing but gibberish. Let's break down the mechanics of encryption step by step. To understand how encryption works, let's start with the basics: plain text, ciphertext, and cryptographic keys. Plain text refers to the original, readable data, while ciphertext is the scrambled version produced by applying an encryption algorithm. Encryption algorithms. Encryption relies on complex algorithms to scramble data securely. These algorithms are designed to make decryption nearly impossible without the correct key. Cryptographic keys. A cryptographic key acts as the password needed to encrypt or decrypt data. It's what makes the entire system work, and keeping it secure is critical. Secure communication. With encryption, sensitive data remains protected even if intercepted, ensuring privacy and trust in online interactions. There are two main types of encryption: symmetric and asymmetric. Each has unique strengths and use cases. Symmetric encryption. In symmetric encryption, the same key is used for both encryption and decryption. It's fast and efficient, making it ideal for large-scale data transfers. Asymmetric encryption. Asymmetric encryption uses a pair of keys, one public and one private. The public key encrypts the data, while the private key decrypts it. This method enhances security, especially when sharing keys isn't feasible. Hybrid systems. Many systems use hybrid approaches, leveraging the efficiency of symmetric encryption alongside the robustness of asymmetric methods. Versatile protection. By understanding the differences, we can choose the right tool for the job, balancing performance and security effectively. How encryption secures everyday activities. Encryption isn't just for tech experts, it's embedded in many aspects of our daily lives, often without us realizing it. Secure messaging apps. End-to-end encryption ensures that only the sender and recipient can read messages, preventing eavesdropping by intermediaries. Online banking and shopping. When you shop online or check your account balance, encryption safeguards your financial details from hackers. Cloud storage. Encrypted cloud storage keeps your documents, photos, and backups safe, even if servers are compromised. Invisible security. Encryption quietly protects billions of transactions every day, enabling trust in the digital ecosystem. Challenges and limitations. While encryption is incredibly powerful, it's not without challenges. Understanding its limitations helps us address potential risks. Key management. Managing cryptographic keys securely is crucial. Losing them means losing access to your data forever. Quantum computing threats. Emerging technologies like quantum computing could render some encryption algorithms obsolete, necessitating new solutions. Backdoors and surveillance. Requests for backdoors in encryption systems raise ethical concerns about surveillance and misuse. Balancing strength and accessibility. Overcoming these challenges requires innovation, collaboration, and vigilance to maintain the integrity of encryption systems. Best practices for using encryption. To get the most out of encryption, follow these best practices to protect yourself and your data. Use strong passwords. Strong, unique passwords reduce the risk of brute force attacks against encrypted data. Enable two-factor authentication. Adding an extra layer of verification boosts security, even if encryption keys are compromised. Keep software updated. Regular updates ensure you benefit from the latest encryption protocols and bug fixes. Educate yourself. Staying informed empowers you to make smarter decisions about your digital security. Empowered users. Following best practices maximizes the effectiveness of encryption, keeping your data safer than ever. Now that you've learned how encryption works, from basic principles to real-world applications, you're equipped to take control of your digital security. Whether you're sending emails, storing files, or shopping online, encryption is your silent guardian, protecting your privacy every step of the way. Don't forget to share your thoughts or questions about encryption in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And if you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button and join our community of forward-thinking creators. For more updates on emerging trends and staying informed, check out platforms like Electronic Frontier Foundation or specialized YouTube channels. Together, we can master the future responsibly. Encryption represents more than just a technical solution. It embodies a commitment to safeguarding freedom, privacy, and trust in the digital age. By embracing encryption, we build a safer, more connected world. The journey starts now with you.